Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cthulhu, the Cosmic Abyss game not loading, stuck on loading screen, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the method. Well, the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, just go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So first of all search for the game. Here is the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game as administrator. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and here switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking means the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. Next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that go to the Windows search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already provided this link in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. After opening it, you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. And after this close it and now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that you have to go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Windows update option, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can come across crashing or lagging or other issues on PC. So make sure your game is installed on SSD. For that you can easily check it. You just have to go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that click on storage option and here you can see the game In my case, the game is installed on SSD, but if your game is not installed on SSD and it's on other drive, you simply have to select this, and after that click on move to move the game to SSD. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. What you need to do is just have to go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. After that, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. Now after turning off real-time protection, now again go to the Windows search. Here you have to search for control panel. Now after that, click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and after that click on OK and then launch the game and check. But later on again come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. Now here you have to search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings, click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288, and then a maximum size, type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, then the final method is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Cthulhu, the Cosmic Abyss game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.